Virgin van Dijk, Rafael Varane, and Thiago Silva. Among these three defenders, we'll be like say they be centre backs. Now, who you go keep, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
That question is very hard. You go take experienced coach to make decision on that.
But you now, you dey watch football as a football person, as a football lover. Who you among them you go keep, and who you go bench, and who you go sell?
First of all, you go first reason their age. Out of the three of them now, so now Thiago Silva na the old pass. Then you look injury matter, Varane na champion. Then outside the rest is to me, I go say Thiago Silva because in age don't tell on her too. So Thiago Silva is the best option to sell than any other of the players.
So, if you sell Thiago Silva, who go come start for you and who go dey for bench?
Van Dijk go start, Varane go dey bench.